Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos, and today we are going to be unboxing the March Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription. This one you do get 5 full-size products. The brands are normally like, not something you like go to Walmart and get. I think with taxes all, shipping and handling, they do now have shipping and handling of $1.99. So everything's like around $30 for this bag. And you do get like a cute little drawstring bag that you can use, like if you're traveling or need to use a makeup bag or something like that. They do have the regular bag, which is deluxe size sample. Sometimes you get a full size. Then they do have the Ipsy times somebody. So this month, what is the theme? Step into your power. Introducing the Icon Box Glam Bag X will now be called Icon Box. I did not know that. I don't know, do you have to re-sign up? I hope not. But they did raise the price on it to $58, and you'll get 8 full-size products. Uber coveted products, you choose 3 from the collection of created by a beauty industry icon. Okay, so it's the same membership you've loved. I don't know. The process like just keeps going up. Used to be like $50, now it's like $58, and they now have shipping and handling, so it's gonna be like $60, taxes, everything, probably like $63. Okay, so 2 of the products are outside my bag. This month, also, I would like to say that, I thought it was this month, but maybe it's next month, like, we're going to be able to, like, all from the Ipsy, app, you're going to be able to pick your products. So, Wonder Beauty, this is their Sun Kiss Getaway, and face palette. And here she is. This is a nice little palette. It's got a mirror. Then it has like 4 eyeshadows and a like bronzer or contour and a blush and a highlighter. Okay, let's swatch these really fast. This is like a really good everyday palette. Really, like, here is City Lights, Berlin, Costa Rica. Then the 4 eyeshadows is Nude Beach, Chalou, Yacht, and Bungalow. So this is like, this palette is like really, if you're on the go, you can throw this in your bag for an everyday look. Maybe not like a night look or something like that, but for the everyday look, if you want to hurry and get ready and you need just one palette, listen, it's got everything. And the other product that was outside is by Bioma. I don't know if I said that right. This is their moisturizing rich cream. It's triple carotenoid complex. It's got She Extract. It's boosted barrier, better skin. We're getting 50 milliliters, which is 1.69 ounces. I like the color. I think I have used some stuff from this company. And anytime pump, you gotta, like, oh, there we go. So, it feels like just a moisturizer. It don't have no scent to it, or I don't know. My allergies are already acting up. I don't know if you can tell by my throat, or by the way I sound, my throat's like a little hoarse. But I kind of think that's like I think I'm hoarse for another reason, or like a bunch of stuff together. But I don't smell nothing. I like that. It's supposed to hydrate and restore. So, I will try that and hopefully I like it. Because right now, like, my hydration is like, I got like breakouts. Like, even coming through my makeup. Like, I hate it. I try to cover it up, but I don't know. I got a lot of breakout. I think it's stress and everything just like making me break out. Okay. Next product is hashtag Give Them Layla Beauty Lala This is Do You Boo setting spray. And here it is. It's just clear bottle. Oh my God. Yes, there's something floating. Oh my God. There is something floating in this. I know you guys can't, I don't know. Do you see, right here it is. Let me try to get it on the clear side. Right, it's, like it's very hard. It's right, I don't know, there's something floating in here. It's going to the bottom right now. It's just like, I don't know, is that like, it's, is right in here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I'm not going to spray it on me because I don't know what that is. It doesn't really smell bad, but not knowing what it is, I really don't want it on my skin. This is 3.52 flow ounce, which is 100 milliliters. It's supposed to lock in your makeup for a fresh set look all day long, infused with hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and coconut water. The setting spray delivers hydration and an overall dewy glow that your skin will thank you for. But I don't know, with something floating in it, I'm kind of scared of it. It's just like, the rest of it, I think it's just bubbles, but I think there's just like one piece, which is right here. I just really don't. It's like, I don't know, I don't think I can. There it is. Right there. So I don't know what that is, so I'm not going to use it on my skin. And if anybody else gets it, make sure you check your bottle, because it could be mold, it could be something contaminating, I don't know. So if you get a bottle, make sure you check it. The ink key list. This is Self-List by Harem. It is a retinol and rainbow algal repair serum, gently targets post-acne marks and hyperpigmentation. We're getting 1 flow ounce, which is 30 milliliters, which I'm having like breakouts, so that's good. I need this. And which retinol? You see the little moon. Retinol is for nighttime anyway, helping fight climate change. I guess it's like cruelty-free and stuff. Always use retinol at night, because I've always heard, everybody's always told me, if you use retinol out in the sun, that it can like dark spots on your face. So I never ever use retinol during the day. Ooh, I got a lot out. It's got a little bit of a smell. I don't even know what that is, but it does have a little bit of a smell. It feels good. I cannot wait to test this out. Not acne. Okay, last product is my Icon London. I think I picked. Okay, camera kicked off. So, what I said, Icon London. This is the Precision Duo Contour Pot. It's got the powder, which is 3.5 grams, which is 0.12 flow ounces. Then it also has the cream, which is 3 grams, which is 0.10 flow ounces. And we did get the color medium shadow, which probably be too dark for me. Maybe not, because summertime is coming. I can wait until I get some color to me, because right now I am pale and everything. I don't know, very pale. Okay. Ooh, I can already tell you, it's probably going to be too dark. There is the powder. It does have a little mirror. And then, let's see. Oh my god. I should have shut that. I just took a big chunk out. Okay. And here is the cream. And it doesn't have nothing on this side. Maybe, not really. That's just the... Let me see. We will... Well... I don't know. It looks funny. It looks like it's been, heated up or something. Like, the little bubbles... I don't know. Maybe it's where... Let me try it up here. Then here is the powder. I don't know. I might be able to make it work. I don't know. And that is actually all 5 items. I don't think... I got it all over my shirt. I did take a pretty good size chunk out of it. Let me... Right here. I mean, that's a good chunk I took out. I cannot believe I done that. Okay. So, I guess they're not telling us about our products anymore, like how they used to do the process. I don't think they're doing that. Slay all your arch enemies, probably about brows. Spare hairs, unruly hairs, overdone brows. So just about your brows, which I was going to do my brows last night, and I don't know. And I am going to try to get to them tonight. Hopefully I do, because it's like a total mess. But if anybody would like to try Boxy for yourself, I will leave all the information down in the description box below. I guess they're supposed to do better now since they're raising the prices and stuff, and I guess we're supposed to be getting better products, no more repeats. I don't know if we'll probably get repeats. I don't know. And BoxyCharm, they're combining everything, and they're supposed to do better products and stuff like that. I don't know if that is going to work. I don't know. I will probably contact them about the setting spray because I paid for my box. The boxes are getting more expensive, so I am going to contact them and tell them that, hey, there's something floating around in this, and hopefully they send me another bottle of it, because I don't know. I don't think that's really something I should be using on my face. And I recommend nobody else, if you get it, please don't use it if it's got something in it, because it's kind of gross. And you really don't know. It could cause, some kind of weird reaction, and trust me, you don't want that. So I will leave all the information for Boxy down below. I mean, not Boxy, but Ipsy down below. And I guess that is it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. And before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.